So, good morning to all of you. Last class we had completed the arithmetical operations on binary numbers where we did addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today I am going to discuss about few more number system, that is decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system, and then we'll learn how to convert decimal number to binary and binary to decimal. So let's start. What is decimal number system? Decimal number system, let me write it, decimal number system. In this number system, the digits which are used is from 0 to 9. Okay, so any number, like if you are writing 1, 8, 5, 3 and to the base 10. Since I have already told in the last class that the number of digits used in the number system, it becomes the base of the number system. So here, if you will count the number of digits from 0 to 9, it will come to 10. So we are writing 10. So just by looking at the base, you can find out which type of number system it is. It is the decimal number system. Okay. Next is octal number system. Octal number system. This number system, octal number system. This number system uses the digits from 0 to 7. And if you're writing number like 8, 9, 5 to the base 8. 8 is the number of digits in octal number system. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it becomes 8. So 8 will be the base of octal number system. So the digits used in this number system should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But as you can see, here two digits 8 and 9 are not lying in this region, this range. So this will be known as an invalid octal number. Invalid octal number. Okay. Next is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Here the digits used are from 0 to 15. Okay, 0 to 9 it will be written as it is, but 10 will be represented by capital A, 11 will be represented by capital B, 12 will be represented by capital C, 13 by D, 14 by E and 15 by F. Clear? So here the total number of digits used are 16. So any number system where the base you have written 16 will be your hexadecimal number system. Like if I am writing here 45 to the base 16. So it is an hexadecimal number system. Same way if you have a number 10, 13, 4. So 10 will be represented by A, 13 will be represented by D and 4. So the number becomes AD4, 16. So this is hexadecimal number system. Now converting decimal number system to any number system, or the example given in your book is decimal number to binary. See, whenever you have to convert this decimal number to any number format, so you need to find out the base of the targeted number system. Like we have to convert a number I am writing in decimal number like 25, 2 and 5 to the base 10, and I want it to convert to the base 2. So find out the number of digits in the targeted number system. This is the original number system and the targeted number system is having how many digits? 2. So we'll keep on dividing this number by 2 and remainder will start writing towards the right hand side. Okay, so let's start doing it. I'm utilizing this space for this purpose. Okay, so here it will be done. So this is 25. We'll write 25. Put one line like this, vertical line, and then one horizontal line. Now since number of digits were 2, we'll divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. In this case, remainder will come 1. So put one hyphen mark and keep 1 here. Same way, now 12 will again be divided by 2 unless or until you are getting the remainder as means that this quotient becomes 0, you keep on dividing it. Here now what is the value of current quotient? 12. So we'll again divide it by 2. It will be 2 6 12. Now when you will divide it, fully it is getting divided, so remainder will be 0. Now again, since it is again non-zero, we'll divide 2 3 6. Again remainder is 0. Now 3 is again non-zero, so we'll divide it. 2 1 2, and then here it will be 1. Now we can do 2 zeros are 0 and the remainder will be 1. So here this digit which is written at bottom is it will be known as MSB. MSB stands for most significant bit. Most significant bit. And the top one is known as LSB, which stands for least significant bit. Now how to write the answer? You will start from MSB and you will keep on writing up to LSB. So the value will come 1 1 0 0 1 to the base 2, and it was in decimal as 25 to the base 10. So answer is this one. I hope you all have understood this. Again, I am just explaining one more time. Just keep on find out the number of digits in the targeted number system. Here we are going to convert this decimal number to binary, and in binary, as we know, the base of the number system is 2. So we'll keep on dividing the number by 2 unless and until the quotient becomes 0, and each time the remainder will be written towards the right hand side. So we started dividing 25 by 2. So 2 1 2, 2 2 4. Here remainder is 1. 2 6 12. Remainder is 0. 2 3 6. Remainder is 0. 2 1 2. Remainder comes 1. Then 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Starting from here, we'll write the number and it will come equivalent to this number. So this many questions are given in your book which you can practice and you will understand it easily from there. Okay, next is we have conversion from binary to decimal. Let me see another paper I'll use. Conversion from converting binary number to decimal. Okay, so now how to convert binary to decimal, I have to tell you. This is just the reverse of a conversion of decimal to binary, where we divided. Here we'll multiply by 2. Okay, so how it will be done? I have written the number 100. Now from right hand side, just start writing the power of the digits. Here is 0, you'll have to start from 0. So here it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. I hope it's clear. On top of every digit, starting from 0, from the right hand side, we wrote the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. If you have more digits towards this side, then you can write 4, 5, 6 up to the digit which you have. Now what will be the next step? Take the first digit from the left hand side. Here we have 1. So we'll write 1, multiply it by 2, and to the power the digit written on top of that number. What is the digit written on top of the number? It's 3. So 2 to the power 3 plus next number is 0, multiplied by 2, and power of 2 will be the digit written on top of it. It is 2. Again next number is 0, multiplied by 2, and power will be the digit written on top of that. Here we have 1. And finally 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Okay. So here we have, if you will multiply 2 3 times, it will come like, here I'll show you, 2 into 2 into 2. It will be equivalent to 8. Okay. So here it will become 8 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 means multiply 2 times. It will come 4. Plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 means multiply 2 only once. So it will be 2 only. Plus 0, any number to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is equivalent to 1. Remember this thing is equivalent to 1. Once it is done, solve it. It is 8. This one 0. Next is also 0. Then next is also 0. So it is equivalent to 8. Since it is decimal number, we'll write the base as 10. So this number which was with the base 2 is equivalent to 8. I hope it's clear to all of you. We'll take another example like the one which is given in your book. Convert example, remember part it is given in your book. It is 1 1 0 1, then 1 0 and then double 1. So same way how to solve it. Start from right hand side, put 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now start from left hand side and 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 7 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 6 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Okay. Now solve this one. If you will multiply 2 7 times, it will come 128. 128. Plus, if you will multiply 2 6 times, it will come 64. If you will multiply 2 5 times, it will come 0 into 32 plus 1 into 8 plus this one will be 16. I'm sorry. This one will be 16. Okay. Plus 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Because 2 to the power 0 is equivalent to 1. Now we have 128 plus 64 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. So we have to add all these numbers together. We'll get, I'm just doing it in rough for you, 128 plus 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. Add all these numbers together. It is 9 2 2 and 2 to 9. So this number in decimal will be 229 to the base 10. So this way the conversion part will be done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the exercise part of this chapter along with the video in PDF format, and question number 6 where all the means 6, 7 and 8 it will be solved, handwritten PDF I'll be forwarding in along with the today's video. Okay, so thank you to all of you and have a nice day.